We're down to the last quarter of the game. Dito sa Kalikid Norte Gymnasium. Dito ginaganap yung laban ng Kabu versus Cruz Roja. Score is 53-67. Medyo malaki yung lamang na hinahabol ng Kabu laban sa Cruz Roja. Let's find out kung makakabawi pa. Kabu is wearing white black and white pink naman ang Cruz Roja.
Adhaide pass to Zurian. 2, jersey number 2. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Adhaide. Adhaide drives. Goal. Rebound by jersey number 2. Wala. Rebound by Nagindis. Kim, mag-charge mo lang, Kim. Bench po muna, bench.
Ay, ito pala si si Leonard.
Low. Duria drive. 2 points.
Last quarter na. 53-69 ang score.
Wow, jersey number 1. And 16 seconds. No. Soriano, 8 seconds shot clock. Soriano drive. Pass to jersey number 2. Wala, pero nakakuha ni Laginius. Pass to Duria. Duria drive. Duria again, wala na ako pa rin niya. Duria, 2 ball. Baggio. Pass to Adhaide. 2. Soriano for 3. No good. Rebound by Laginius. Pass to Duria. Duria. 2. Back to Duria. To Cabacho. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Buyat for 3. No good. Rebound by Marcos. Manuel drives. Basket. Foul. Jersey number 29. Low. Hinango para di agad malawag. 7 personal foul, 2nd team foul. Manuel. First team. Ibuwan na siya. Arjo, ano yung score sa inyo? 56. Camacho. Pass to Duria. Last 8 minutes. Duria. 2. Laginius. Pass to Durian pero may foul. Jersey number 7. Third personal foul, first team foul.
Score now is 56-72.
Warning, foul out. Warning for foul out. Ito yun. Time out.
Hindi ko pala napindot yung logo. Ganito ka ba ganun?
Score 63-77.
63-77.
One round.
Doon tayo sa last quarter ng Kabu versus Cruz Roja.
Pass to Arisa. Arisa drives, pero may foul.
Pasensya na kanina, hindi ko na i-play.
11.
Hindi nakakuhanan yung
Second personal foul, third team foul.
pilit na humahabol pa rin naman ang Kabu. Wala pa rin yata ang talo yung Kabu eh. No? Parang 2-0 pa.
Amano, pass to Arisa. 2, Amba.
Medyo malakas itong nakatapat ng Kabu.
Amba pa rin.
Cruz Roja.
10 second shot na Amba for 3. Rebound.
Score is 63-80. We can only have 4 minutes and 39 seconds left sa last quarter ng laro nila.
Manyo Pulang jumper.
This basketball is sponsored by Glenn's Cafe.
Pass to Arisa. 2. Duria. To Amba, pass to Arisa. Arisa fix. Foul, jersey number 1. Third person, warning for foul down, Manyo. Warning for penalty. Amba. 10 seconds. Still by rest. Foul, jersey number 26. First, second personal foul, penalty. Oras, 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Ay, 9:30.
Next game,
Abot pa kaya tayo sa kambing yun? Hindi na.
San Roque Sur versus Kalikit
May ano ba eh?
Norte. Pasok.
Tignan nga natin kung aabot.
Last throw. Double, rebound by Amano. Amano.
Kahit yung last quarter lang yun.
Amano pa rin. Amano pass to Ponce. 10 second shot lang. Turia. Back to Ponce. Pero malakas 5 seconds. Double, rebound by Amano. Tyler. Wow. Jersey number 10. Not counted po. Penalty. Penalty po, penalty. Pasok. Last throw, Atayde. 2 for 2. Arisa, pass to Amano, back to Arisa. Arisa pass to Abba. Pero. Foul, jersey number 4. Penalty. Second personal foul. Penalty. Oras, 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Score, 80-66. Antay de Vasquez. 2. Whoops. Out of bounds. Duri. Binabandan ito. Duri ang pass to Amba. Amba 2. Ponce. Wala. Rebound by Santay Guillo Vasto Ataide. 2. Manu, 2 points. Camano. Camano lose the ball. Still by Santay Guillo Vasto Ataide. 2. Manu, 2 points. Timeout, Barangay Cruz Road. Score, 70-81. Oras, 2 minutes and 37 seconds.
Kaya pakabuli niya naman.
Ariza, pass to Haman. 2. Lagilias pass to Amba. Amba to Ariza. 2 points. Manu, pass to Ataide. To Monton. Monton is still pero na ako ng Manu. Foul. Jersey number 4. First personal foul penalty. Last 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Pasok. Second throw. Pasok. Lagilias, pass to Amba. Amba back to Lagilias. Lagilias to Camano. Last 2 minutes, 10 to shoot. Gorilla, 2 points. Ataide, pass to Manu. Manu drives 2 points. Oras, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Pass to Camano. To Amba. Amba pass to Ariza. 10 seconds shot clock.
1 minute and 30
5
seconds left.
seconds. Lose the ball. Santay Guillo pass to Manu. 2. Ataide. 2 points. Score 76-85. Lagilias pass to Ariza to Amba. 2. Ariza. Foul. Jersey number 4. Penalty. Third personal foul penalty.
Ako pag iba'y nasi ko yung referee pa. Ang technical yun. Na-shoot, di ba? Na-shoot. Yes po, na-shoot.
at idol. Pare, ayusin mo. Wala na away. Arisa. Pass to Amba. Last 1 minute. To Kaman. Back to Amba. Ito. 10 seconds shot na. Arisa. Arisa. Pass to Laguilius. Nogli. Foul. Jersey number 7. At idol. Warning for foul down. Last 41 seconds. Last throw. Monton.
Congratulations. And better luck next time ulit sa Kabu.
Congratulations.
Parehong magaling na kuponan.
Team Barangay Cruz Rock.